What do you do when your bird grows old? When their feet are tired and their grip grows weak? When your words of praise are hard to hear and their feathers are ruffled from all their years? When their bodies changed and their feathers thin? What do you do when your bird grows old? You scratch their head and carry them by your side. You praise them louder and harder. You show them your pride. You take care of them the way they've taken care of you. And when it comes time to put them into their final rest, you do so knowing you loved them, and they loved you.